So guys, I just lost my drone. It's supposed to be in this block right there. I am in this street, the way you see it. And look, it's trying to connect right here, but see this is showing connecting right there. This is the controller. So actually the drone was flying, then all of a sudden it just like stopped showing, it lost contact. I pressed home, it didn't react, and it just disappeared like that. But the controller showed me how to track it down. So I've been coming, so I came here. It was not far away from where I was, because I was flying from a park. And I've been looking for it, man. It's supposed to be in this street right here. This street, actually inside, on top of these buildings, like, see this street? It's supposed to be on top, somewhere there. Yeah, it's supposed to be here. This actually up there. So actually the map shows me it's right in this place. And I've been trying to ask the neighbors here. Nobody's helping me, man. Yeah, it must be right behind here. Either on the rooftop of these buildings or somewhere. Probably on the rooftop. So I'm really trying to get this drone, man. So wow. So right here, in the controller it shows me I'm 2 meters away from it. So it's supposed to be on top here. Yeah, right on top of these buildings right there. It was flying at 95 meters high. Wow, man. Just like that, I've lost my drone. Damn. Wow. I didn't know it would happen here. Damn, man. Now I'm left with the controller, with the bags. Oh, this really sucks a lot. So I'm in a place called Heredia, Costa Rica. Yeah. So this is Avenida Cero. That's how it showed me, right there, Avenida Cero and Calle 10. And the drone is supposed to be here. This block. Yeah, this block right here. Wow. This is really crazy, man. I think maybe it should have dropped inside here. I don't know why I think so. Yeah. I feel these are the guys who took it down. I don't know if I should ask that guy. Let me ask and see. Hey, ¿cómo estás? Tengo una pregunta, mi dron pidió aquí. ¿Dron? Sí, pidió aquí en la techa. Sí, es porque aquí muéstrame 2 metros. Okay. So I'm trying to ask, man. I think it's because of these connections, maybe. Let me put my glasses on. Shit.
¿Qué pasó, papá?
¿Cómo estás, mamá?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien. Mira, yo jugar dron esta parque allá y cuando cruza aquí y yo pienso es en la techo. Sí, es porque aquí cuando llega muéstrame 2 metros y muéstrame esta avenida con...
Déjame revisar, a ver,
Ok.
¿hace cuánto?
Ahora como 5 minutos. Mira aquí muestra con,
Ok.
connecting, pero sí.
Oscar 1, adelante, Oscar 1. ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Marwa, yo soy de Kenia. Marwa.
Marwa.
Este es el control.
Oscar 1, adelante, Oscar 1.
Adelante.
¿Tienes dónde?
¿Y dos?
Chicos, usted me puede ayudar. Es que este muchacho, ubíqueme en la cámara del parqueo, por... Es que este muchacho me está diciendo que él está jugando con su dron y le cayó en el techo, el de la sucursal. ¿Usted cree que me puede verificar? A ver.
No, ya le explicamos.
Ok, gracias. ¿De dónde venía el dron? ¿De allá para acá?
Sí.
Nos dice el muchacho que el dron venía volando del parque central hacia acá. Déjame ver.
Ok.
Entonces estabas en el parque.
Sí, yo jugar y cuando cruza aquí y desconectar cuando fui aquí.
Usted estaba jugando y se le vino.
Sí, cruza en la calle cuando vuelve como así, vuelve a mí y desconectar. Y cuando yo aquí muestra donde el dron bota.
Ahí muestra.
Sí, pero ahora desconectó. Cuando este momento muéstrame esta,
Aquí.
sí, esta cuadra. Y pero es porque yo pienso para esta cosa aquí. Es por eso tal vez se cayó.
Pero eso está, creo que está más atrás.
Puede mirar, revisar en la techo. Piensa en la techo.
Sí, estamos tratando de ver si nosotros podemos ver.
Adelante, Oscar 10.
Adelante, tú de copio.
Negativo. No copiamos el dron.
Ok, gracias. No, mi amor, aquí no cayó.
No.
Ellos ya revisaron por cámara y aquí no cayó.
Ok,
Pudo haber caído tal vez del otro lado o no sé, pero...
ok, gracias. Okay. This is so crazy, man. So most probably I thought it should have been in that place. So I don't know if I should lose hope just looking for this drone. I mean, it was my first day in this town. It's called Municipal Heredia. You can see it. That's like the town. And I just lost my drone like that, man. I'm left with batteries, the bag. Here's the bag, let me show you. This is so crazy. Yeah, it's so crazy, man. I'm left with everything right here. Wow. No, it's not the drone. Look, I'm left with the bag. This is the bag right here. This is my bag. One battery is right here. You can see it. Oh man. Another one is right here. I just want to put the controller. Wow, man. I bought this drone 2017. The best drone in the market. I just lost it, man. But the funny thing is, it shows me it's right here, like this zone. So I've asked neighbors here, they have checked on the rooftops, nothing. Okay guys, let me end this video here, man. So this is the street where I lost my drone. Right at that corner, right there. Right at that corner. I mean, okay, let's follow this car, okay? So where that car is, keep going. Yeah, right there in that block. The block which starts from there. And it's funny, when I was there, the drone was showing I'm 2 meters away from it. And when I asked, there was a guy who was there, I asked him, he said no. So I went to the next place, which was a bank. They tried checking on the rooftop using cameras, security cameras, everything. They didn't see it. Man, it's so sad. I just lost my drone. But it's funny, I don't feel anything. Like, I don't know, man. Yeah, I don't know, it's strange, super strange. I don't feel any. I feel like I still have it. Or maybe my mind has not accepted, you know. So, damn, let me go back to where I was flying it from and see if maybe it could be there. Maybe, you know. But probably I don't think, because it did not recognize it disconnected and just disconnected. Like, whoa. I've been traveling with this drone in many countries. For the first time I lost it. Yeah, man. In the streets of Heredia, Costa Rica. Oof. So sad. So I don't know if I'll go to other cities in Costa Rica, because like I wanted to go to Lemon, and because of my drone I don't think I'll go now. I'll have to buy another one, you know. Please, maybe I'll start a GoFundMe. You guys can support me. Actually, I have my PayPal in the link below. Go check it out. Man, drop anything you can drop there. Let's get a new drone as soon as possible. We need a drone, man, too. Man, I feel confused. Super confused. I'm walking you back where I flew it from. It just disconnected. This is so strange, you know? So I flew it from here. So I flew the drone from this park. Let me take you to the exact point. I just hope it came back home. You know when you've lost hope but you still hope for the best? That's what I'm trying to do right now. So I flew it from here, right here. Actually not far away from where I was. Just right from this bench, right here actually. And it has not returned home, you see? Nothing. Yeah. It hasn't returned home.
All I need is you, baby.